Let's break the answer for this question. Question number 53. Choose the background actions if you have done PCA in OTC process. In SAP ECC or S4 HANA, it doesn't matter. It has the same situation. A. Document flow updated. No doubt whether you create delivery or billing. The first thing is that document flow will be updated. Okay. First thing, document flow updated. So it cannot be, billing document cannot be cancelled because invoice itself it is not generated with the help of PJ. How could you able to do that? This is the foolish answer. B is the wrong answer. As of now, A is the right answer. Metal doc generated. Metal document generated. No doubt. COGS, cost of goods sold, and inventory account debited. Okay, inventory account credited and COGS will be debited. Cost of goods sold debited. These are the thing will be happen. So A and D is the correct answer. Can able to create bill. So obviously, if it is a delivery related billing, it will allow you can able to create a bill. A, D, and E are the correct answers as of now. Overall, derivative status set to complete. It is absolutely wrong. Why? Because header and item level you have a billing status that is still open, so that it cannot be completed. PGR auto updated. This is for confusion to create a confusion. That's wrong. This one. Okay. All of the above anyhow wrong answer. The answer is A. Document flow updated. D. Material document generated. E can able to create billing document. The rest of all wrong answers. I would encourage you can, if you know the answer, if you see someone is attempting, is a good thing. Like instead of hiding in the bush. Okay. Where all human beings will do mistakes. If you really wanted to learn that seriousness, first do mistakes. From mistakes you can able to learn. If you are clever enough, give the right answer. Okay. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Let's catch up in next session. Okay. So what I would request, I'm just providing my Udemy course links below of this video. If you are really interested, you can join. Thank you so much. Have a great day.